Here's a quick little tip, a DIY hair and skin tip for your hair. Just using 3 ingredients, coconut oil, lemon juice, and some aloe vera in your hair. And it's great for conditioning your hair, leaving your hair softer, shinier, healthier. It promotes healthy hair follicles in your scalp. It strengthens and repairs hair strands. Be careful when you are cutting your plant, and always make sure that you clean it very well and dry it off, and do not discard your skin. We can use that for later. We can use that on sunburned skin. We can use it on just on our skin after you wash. You can use it as an astringent. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C, and E that contributes to promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. So, we want to use all of the leaf and the gel itself to promote healthy hair and scalp. So I took my son hair and said, let me try and see how this worked on his hair, and I was very impressed. But one thing I did notice, when you shampoo and conditioner, you're gonna have to need a large tooth comb and a small tooth comb to remove the gel, and it's just depending on how long you leave it in there. You can leave it in the hair, by sectioning it and porting it and putting it in the scalp, maybe for an hour to 3 hours for a great skin conditioning. And if you have any questions or want to see more informational videos using natural remedies, please leave a comment down below, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. And once again, thank you. I'm a one lady band trying to create content and do editing, so I thank you for your feedback and for watching. Thanks. Have a great one.